Welcome back to Hoyist.com. This is Vinod, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start a successful web hosting business. Now in today's video, we are going to see how you can add a server in your WHM. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted your you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts, okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as a paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on, you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay, so let's get started with our video's topic. So let's get started. Now the first thing we have to do, now I'm going to log into my WHM. So let's see how you can, continue this procedure. The first thing we have to, go for our WHMCS. I'm logged into my WHMCS. Just go for the settings icon here, and then go to the system settings. Now guys, on the system settings page, just search for your server, and we are on the server page. Now the next thing which we have to do is to just create a group right now here. When adding a server, I will suggest you guys to continue, add a group. The first thing we have to do is to add a server, then we will create a group, okay? I will tell you the reason why we have to use a groups, okay? The first thing we have to do is just go for the server. Okay guys, now we will see how you can set up the, account here. So the first thing we have to select here the module, like if you're using cPanel, Reseller Hosting, Plisk or Direct Admin or any other, you have to select it. But for today's video, we are going to see how you can set up cPanel WHM, okay? Now just click here the module. The next thing you have to provide here the IP address for the hostname. IP address for the hostname are the basically address of your WHM where the WHM is hosted, okay? So at Hoyist.com, for right now for this cPanel, we have this WHM address. Just need to provide here the WHM. Make sure to remove the HTTPS and these slashes, okay? Keep it as simple as it is, okay? The next thing you have to provide here the username and the password of your WHM. So I'm going to provide here the password of my WHM and a username, okay? Okay, now I'll provide the password. Let's log into my client account and I'll find my password in my account user information. Now guys, let's provide the password of our WHM, and the next is to provide the API token. Basically, API token are optional. If you want to provide them, that is great, but if you don't want to, that wouldn't cause an issue. So let's provide an API that will be better, because this when you will be hosting your website on another server, let's suppose your website hosted on another server and your WHM is hosted on another server, okay? Basically the IPs are the chain. Then you have to provide here the API token. If you don't have, then it's not required. So I'm going to provide here the API token. Let's revoke this old one and let's generate a new one. You just need to click on this button called generate token, and let's provide here the name of your WHMCS. I'm just going for simple as WHMCS. Make sure to whitelist your WHMCS IP address there. If you're using the same server, again I'm saying if you're using on the same server, the WHM server is the same and the WHMCS servers are the same, then you can it's not required to provide here the IP address. But if you are using a different server, like your WHMCS is hosted on a server in on another place on a different server, and your server is cPanel server is located on another place on a different IP, then you have to provide here the IP, and then using the API token is required, okay? Then let's see how you can get your IP address. So to get your WHMCS IP address, you just need to click on this icon, and then this icon license information, just click on it and open a new tab. And on this page, you have to just click on this validate IP, okay? This is a IP address of your server, okay? Then you have to just provide the IP address. I would recommend you to provide the IP on the all basis. Like if you're hosted on another server, still provide the IP address. Just scroll down and click on the save changes button. Leave all the option and it is, just copy it and then save it. Test connection. Okay guys, it will take a second. Right now we are migrating the server to another server. That's why the server are a bit slow, okay? Then the next is you have to provide the server name. Let's go. I will suggest you to go where the name of the, like it's Finland server. Okay, then next is monthly cost. Leave it as it is. Let's suppose if the server costs you $100. Provide if you are going to set up the statistics, like you want to manage everything in your WHMCS, to manage that, you pay $100 for the server or $100 for the reseller hosting. So you have to provide it. Now right now I'm using the reseller hosting plan, so I'm just going for my plan services here or services page. I'll just go on the services page and provide here the provide price for the host. That cost me to purchase this server or manage this server. That will be helpful for me, because the WHMCS will provide me the statistic that how much I spend and how much I earn, what was my margin, what was my profit and everything, okay? I'm using my business account that costs me about $10 per month. So let's provide here the basic. Okay. Then the next is you have to provide here the data center. If you don't want to, this is not required. But if you want to, that would be great, okay? These are the maximum account that you can create. Like if your reseller hosting has a maximum amount limit to 1000 or 500 or 50 or 10, you have to provide here. Like at Hoyist, in our plan, it's unlimited. So you can just go for here, 1000 or 2000. As soon you reach 1000 client account, you can go for 2000. Okay. Then the next is you have to provide here the address of the server where you can set up. Leave it as it is. Okay. Then the next is you have to provide here the name server. How you can find the name server? Just go for here, search here, basic web host manager setup. We set up white label name server for this, service. Okay. But if you want to set up, name server on basis of, white label, or leave the name server as it is from the web hosting provider. Like at Hoyist, we provide white label name server, you can continue. So I'm just going to continue copying this name server and provide here NS1, NS2. Okay. I have suggested to provide here the IP address, but leave it as it is because this is going to be cause an issue to you. Okay. Leave it the IP address, and just click on the save changes button. Leave the port as it is and make sure to check this option, check to use the SSL selection. Okay, and leave it as it is, this option, and just click save changes. Now guys, this is how you can create a server in your WHMCS. Now let's suppose if you want to add a few more server and you want to manage your hosting. Like when we will create more than one, when we have more than 2 or 3 server, the first thing which we have to do is to manage the hosting. For example, like if I want to, if I have 2 server, like one server in the UK and one server in the USA, and I want to offer 2 type of web hosting in UK, web hosting in USA. So you can't select a different server in your product page, okay, on the product page. So you have to server. Let's suppose I name this server as Finland server. Okay, I already named it. Let's create a group. Okay, I just name it as like Finland data center, and just click on the server, and I provide here my server location like Finland. That's it. Server, and just click on this button and just click add. Okay, this is how you can make a server. You can create a server group, and this is how you can manage it. Now if you want to add another server, just add a new server and add in a new group like UK server. Okay, when on the product page you want to set up a different server, you would be able to easily set them up. This is how you can create a server in your WHMCS. In the next video we will see how you can set up products for the shared hosting, and for the next video we will set up how to set up reseller hosting products. I will set up the reseller hosting product at the end of this course, because the setting of a reseller hosting products we need to purchase a master reseller hosting. Okay, so then we will set up this is how we will set up, and I will set up a few more things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.